Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I'm going to teach you how you can create gradients in Canva as well as customize the different colors. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go to elements and you want to make sure you're on the graphics tab when you search something. So we're going to search up gradient. And so if you actually select from these gradients, they actually won't be able to allow you to adjust the colors. You can see usually in the top left, you would get the option to change the colors, but you don't here. So you actually want to click on the graphics tab, and these are the gradients where you can actually change the color. So if you are on the free plan, you would go here, you would press on the settings and you press on free, and now the free ones would show. So you can see there's a couple right here. I'm going to drag on this because it's wider, and you can see here you can adjust the two different colors. So you would just stretch it out right here, and you would select the different colors that match your brand. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. My name is Steven, and I'll see you in the next one.